miss my skincare and my detox and everything, remember what I always tell you, this is a TV channel, so when you come on TV you can expect to see anything on television. So today I'm just going to go back to the basics. People has been buzzing me on Instagram, on Facebook, please make us something for summer. So I decided that I'm gonna go back to the basics, like how I really, when I first started YouTube, and they keep telling me they cannot see this on the playlist, so I decided to make a fresh brand new detox water for you. I am in the store right now. I have me some mint, so we're gonna go home and I'm gonna make you some mint water. I'm flaunting, look at that, I am flaunting. Yes, I'm ready for summer. It's getting hot, it's getting warm. All you need to do is drink this water 2 times a day. First thing when you get up in the morning and before you go to bed. Is going to help detoxify your liver, your kidney, help you lose weight, give you flawless skin, bright skin, take care of acne, pimple, dull skin, and make you look younger. So let me dive down to showing you guys how to make your amazing, beautiful detox water. So over here is a jug of water. You need a jug of water, 1 liter, 2 liters, whatever that rocks your boat. Go ahead and do that. The first thing I'm going to be adding is lemon. We know that lemon is powerful detox and helps you lose weight. So I have 1 big lemon cut in 2. So I dump it into the water. The next one is the cucumber. Cucumber will help to rejuvenate your skin, makes your skin very hydrated, and help to fight fine lines and wrinkles and help you to lose weight. Another thing here is ginger. Ginger is a fat crusher. It crushes the fat in your system. So add as much ginger as you want. So I add some ginger. The next thing I have here is parsley. Parsley is also very awesome to burn fat and to shrink the fat cells in your system. So this parsley is all washed up. You add some parsley in the water. Mint. Who doesn't like minty water? And for some people who don't really like to drink water, when you add mint into your water, it makes it taste very delicious. So mint leaves are very nice, very powerful for weight loss and for extra taste in the water. So these mint leaves are also all washed. The next thing you want to add is aloe vera. Now you can decide to throw in the aloe vera in the water, but I love to have the gel of the aloe vera inside my water. Aloe vera is powerful. It's powerful antibacterial, and it will also help to cleanse you up. When you drink aloe vera all the time, it detoxifies you and makes you poop better. So if you suffer from constipation, you might want to add aloe into your daily drinks. Now, I'm not saying you should go and buy the aloe juice that is being sold in the grocery store. That is not what I'm talking about. Go grab yourself an organic aloe, blend them if you want to blend it, or cut it up and add them in your everyday water or in any juice that you love to drink. Just add the gel of the aloe. Yes, so all you have to do after you have dumped all these things in here is now you're gonna scoop it around and use anything you like, spoon, fork, scoop everything around, and you want to put this into your fridge to make it a little bit chill so that you can drink this first thing in the morning and last thing before you go to bed. So I have the aloe drink here. Very yummy. So, but it's gonna taste better when you chill. Like, it's gonna taste better when this is a little bit cool. So I'm gonna leave you guys here. Go ahead and enjoy your detox and slimming water. Love you guys. Remember, subscribe, share. See you guys in my next video. Hey, don't forget to follow my other channel, my reality show channel. Remember to subscribe and also encourage your friends and families to subscribe as well. Thank you guys. Bye.